Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is 2018 and we are kicking off the year by basically rebuilding my custom PC. I have ordered some new parts. I sold the other parts, and the parts that I speak of are the motherboard and CPU, and I also got additional cooling, a 120mm rad to add to the EK Fluid Gaming lineup. Now I also added a bunch of other changes to my setup as well. I got a new mouse and keyboard, a new mouse pad. I intend to get other gear in the future, but aside from those main components in the PC and that hardware, the only real difference here will be the case fans as well. I got multiple RGB fans by Cooler Master, specifically the Air Balance or Master Fan Pro RGB Air Balance fans. Now I want to forewarn you guys, the lighting in the video isn't the best. I'm still working on getting lighting equipment, and I intend to hopefully record all my videos using that future equipment, but for this I basically used a lamp post with different lights aiming at different angles, so you might see reflections. It might not be the best quality, but I am working on it and it will be fixed soon. Other than that, there's really nothing else I need to mention except for the fact that this will mostly be either a time-lapse several part video, or it will just be a slow process of what I'm doing to my system. Now this is currently present day. I have the system running right here at the side, but I'm still missing certain parts, so I'm not going to be editing those parts yet. Certain parts haven't arrived, and even in the video certain parts didn't arrive for those, so I cut the video off where I had my last supplies. It'll pretty much become clear once you see it, but let me know how you like the first video, and hopefully your suggestions will reflect the content to come. Anyway, let's get on to the build.
There's only one man clever enough to have perpetrated such a dastardly crime.
Ha! And I thought you were ready to give up.